Welcome back to Growing with Miss D. First, we will start off our day by practicing making numbers and representing them by using our base 10 blocks. Make sure to check out that tutorial if you need to make some for home as well. Let's go ahead and dive in. First, I'm going to record the number that we'll make. It says 60. In order to make that number, we need to first take a look at the value that we have. I noticed that there is a 0 in the ones place and a 6 in the tens place. Since there are 6 tens, I can make that number with the 10 sticks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Are you ready to try another one? Now it's your turn. We'll do it together. We'll put our supplies away, erase, and get ready for the next number. Let's try this one. It says 80. Do you see anything in the ones place? Should we use any of these? There's a 0, so I don't need any ones. Let's take a look here. That's the 10 place. I need to use these blocks. You could help me count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And there is that number represented with the tens blocks. Let's put them away and try one more again together. Do you think that you could represent a number that has tens and ones? Let's try this. 72. I noticed that there is something in the tens place and the ones place within the number 72. So we've got a little extra work on our hands, but we can do it. First, I noticed that we'll need 7 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I also noticed that there is a 2 in the ones place. 1, 2. Let's double check our work by counting by tens and adding on the ones just to make sure that we have the correct value. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. Let's increase the challenge this time. Do you think that you have the power to add two two-digit numbers together? Let's try it. 20 plus 30. Let's try to solve that math fact. To make the number 20, I noticed that I'll need 2 tens, but there are 0 ones, so it will look like this. To make the number 30, I noticed that there are 3 tens and 0 ones, so the number will look like this. In order to find the total, we can count by tens with our 10 sticks to solve the problem. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Nice work. Thanks for staying with me. Let's put them back and try another one. This time, we're adding. Sorry if you hear my little Holly crying in the background. She really wants to see you, but I told her she has to wait until we finish our math. Let's try 40 plus 30. I noticed this number has, I'll need 4 10 sticks since there's a 4 in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To make the number 30, I'll need 1, 2, 3 tens. I know that I don't need any of these hundreds blocks because there isn't a digit in the hundreds place in either of those numbers. I know that I don't need any of the orange squares because there are zeros in the ones place, so I only need the 10 sticks to solve this problem. Let's count by tens to check our work. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That looks great. Thanks for growing with me. Let's try another one. This time we have 46 plus 20. To make the number 46, I notice that there are tens and ones, so I'll be using the 10 sticks and the ones blocks. Let's make that number together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. To make the number 20, it looks like I'll just need the 10 sticks since there's nothing in the ones place. We have all of our tools ready to go, and now we need to find the total. I'm going to count all of the 10 sticks first and then add on the ones last. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. There you go. That looks great. Let's put our materials back so we can keep on going. Slide these little squares in the way right off to the side. And erase. Try this one. $82 plus 44. Whoa, I noticed that there is a digit in the tens and the ones place in both numbers, so we'll be using a lot of our 10 sticks and our ones to solve this math fact. Let's go for it. Looks like I'll need 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's a 2 in the ones place, so we'll add those extra ones. And then we have 44. I'll need 4 10 sticks because there's a 4 in the tens place. And I'll need 4 ones. Let's add those in there. Mamma mia, look at all of those pieces we need to add now. Let me scoot my camera back a little bit so you can see I do indeed have all of my ones in there. There you go. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126. Wow, that was a tricky one. But we did it. Thank you for challenging your brain. It helps you grow. Now that you know how to use the supplies, I would like for you to try a couple math facts on your own. With someone in your family, see if you can solve these. 30 plus 60, 40 plus 50, 22 plus 60, 80 plus 20. So at home on your own, see if you can try these math facts so that way you can continue to challenge yourself. Thanks for taking the time to learn with Miss D. I look forward to seeing you next time. It looks like our Holly got all tuckered out from all that math. I'm so proud of you taking your time to learn and grow. Holly and I are signing off. Hope to see you again next time.